Good evening, investors. Just to remind you guys, I'm not a financial advisor, but everyone should be aware of this. Anyways, it's an interesting subject that came up that I thought I want to talk about. So Bernie Sanders, he proposes a $42.8 billion tax on Jeff Bezos, $27.5 billion on Musk, and if you scroll further down in the article, Mark Zuckerberg of $22.8 billion, and the Warren family would pay a one-time tax of $12.9 billion. I don't think Jeff Bezos really cares if the government taxes him $42 billion, because he'll just pay it because he'll have to pay it. But he'll be forced to sell his stock, enough stock to pay those taxes, because let's be honest, he doesn't have $42.8 billion in his bank account. It's all in paper money on his stock. I mean, if he did, that would be crazy, but I don't think so. I think all his money is in his stocks and in his companies. And he really has probably, maybe $1 billion in cash in his banks, because, that's my opinion anyways. I don't think he has all of that in cash. And then Elon, he's completely broke. I mean, I think he owes the bank $500 million. And he's just living off line of credit because he's using his Tesla shares as a way to counteract to basically leverage. He's leveraging his Tesla shares for line of credit of $500 million. So Elon Musk has no money, and I don't think Mark Zuckerberg has a lot of cash too. So all these three CEOs are going to be forced to sell their stocks, and I don't think the market is going to like that. I don't think, when I say the market, I mean people with large stakes in the company is not going to like that, because that's a transfer of wealth to basically the government. And I think the stock's gonna pull. I think if this came to fruition and Bernie Sanders actually wins, and this and these CEOs are forced to sell their stock to pay the taxes. Yeah, I just my gut feeling tells me that these stocks specifically will crash, and I think the entire market will probably have a temporary correction. I mean, I don't think we will crash unless Donald Trump loses. I think the big election is when the market will truly crash. But yeah, anyways, this is I don't like this at all. I'm not a shareholder of any of these companies, but personally, I still don't like them. But I know a lot of people have shares in Facebook, in Tesla. I don't know about Amazon. Maybe a few people have 1 or 2 shares of Amazon, or fractional shares of Amazon on Robinhood. That's a possibility, but yeah. Anyways, I would appreciate a thumbs up for this video. You don't have to give me one, but I would like one. Anyways, moving forward. So yeah, after that whole article thing, Tesla kind of pulled back and is kind of trading sideways. And we'll see where this continues. Will Tesla, battery day is also a big deal. So I still think that, right now I think the market's going to ignore it. But if that ever came to fruition, and these 3 CEOs are forced to sell the stock, oh man, I would imagine a big crash, big crash. But that's just my opinion. Facebook, I would love for Tesla to crash. I would love to pick some Tesla up at $250. I wonder what would happen if that went out and then Tesla stock crashed back down to $300, and Elon Musk hey, I don't really have that money anymore. The stock crashed. So, well, then what are they going to do? They're oh, you're going to have to sell anyways because I'm an a-hole. And I'm forcing you to sell because the government wants money. I don't know. Amazon crashing is another story. I just don't see it. And Facebook, I don't think Mark Zuckerberg cares too much. He's like, oh, I pay government taxes, whatever, I'll pay it. Like, he was gonna donate all his money to like charity anyways when he died, so I don't think he would care too much if he had to pay taxes. It's just something he has to do. Unless he goes to jail. A billionaire in jail, that's kind of weird. But hey. The SPY is right now grinding. Oh, look, it's down 50 cents. But it's grinding up to that all-time high like I predicted. Only $4 more, guys. $4 more. Come on, market. You can do it. I said by the end of summer, by the summertime, the SPY will be back at its 52-week high. It's so close. So close. Today, the Diamond Peak Holdings is down 8 cents, up 8 cents. Workhorse is up 7 cents after hours. Diamond Peak was could have been an opportunity if you scooped it up at around $12. If you did, I was thinking about it, but I said that you know what, it could go lower, and I already own some shares. I wasn't gonna get greedy. So yeah, I didn't buy any Workhorse. I bought some more call options for Workhorse today. I'm gambling on the earnings on Monday, I think. That probably by the end of the closing. AMD is down 10 cents. Not too much to say about that. Electromagnetic today was very volatile. Let's see where this continues. While Automotive was grinding its way up today. So yeah, I don't know. Like, people love Automotive. Stocks are worth as much as investors are willing to put in, and Solo right now is not doing enough PR or not showing investors, hey, you should invest into us. So I mean, they haven't proven anything yet. Maybe when the production comes out, the stock will skyrocket. But for now, it's declining. Blink Charging today was down 32 cents, which wasn't too bad. Spartan Acquisition Corp, I think, is probably going to trade between $11 to $13 until the company IPO. That's what I feel like. And then after that, it's could do anything. No idea. Plug. Oh man, Plug. A new bull rally is starting on Plug Power right now. How far will it go? How it's just already, like, I don't follow Plug very closely, but must be exciting for the market to push up Plug Power to like all-time highs or whatever. It feels like a skyrocket, like a rocket. You bought this thing at like a dollar, boom, you would have been 12x your money. Nvidia is down $5.44, up 3 cents after hours. Not too much to say about that. Already talked to Automotive. AMD pulled back today. I don't know how much AMD is gonna pull back by, but the lower it goes, the more bullish I am, and it needs a pullback anyways. It already has that correction. I think it still needs. I still think that it's going down a little bit further, but I could be wrong. I think it's probably gonna go down to around $77, between $80 to $77. I think the lowest it will go is $77. This is a big support area, and then it'll probably bounce from there. I guess it all depends on the market too, like how bullish the entire market is. Nvidia, yeah, not too much about that. Intel today back there. I think Intel's gonna go to $45. Just my opinion though. High Tide today was just only up 1.5%, 1.5 cents, 10%. Let's see where Monday leads. I think a very good food company. They're going to be closing the $8 million of cash soon, and then maybe they'll announce some kind of U.S. operation, and the stock will skyrocket. I have no idea. Kira today was down, and Harvest was down today 8 cents. Not too much to say about that. Liberal Health Science today was trading sideways. True Eve was probably down today. GTI probably down. Bitcoin today was, what's Bitcoin doing? It's grinding its way up. But that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.